This is so cool. Okay, this is turning out to be like a really cool texture. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Slimeatory! Alright guys, so today I am going to be doing mixing all my store-bought slimes, and I just showed you guys these and I just got them. They're so wonderful, but I'm going to mix them for you guys. We're going to do a store-bought slime smoothie, so yeah. And today's like my challenge to you guys comment down below what you think about slime smoothies. I like slime smoothies. Sometimes, like when it's like some slimes that I like, or if it's like just slimes that I just made and it's just slime smoothie, then I like it. But if it's like slimes that I have and then I mix them, I don't really like them. So yeah. Alright guys, let's get straight on into the video. Yo! Alright guys, so first we have these, but these are all the same, this one too. And they are so nice. So I'll just give you a little quick preview of them because I already showed you guys them just for the people who didn't see. There it is, there's that one. It's so pretty. I really like this one because of the color. So we're gonna put that in there. Oh, wait a second. No, I'll put it on the bottom. Alrighty, let's put that there. Goodbye, beautiful. I'm gonna have to get more of these ones. Alright, and then we have this orange one. This one, I really like the color, but it's kind of sticky, so it's not as bad. Goodbye, beautiful. Alright, next is a teal slime. Yeah, this one is teal slime. I don't like this one too much. It's cool. I like the color, but it's not as beautiful as the green one. Alright, there it is. Next one is this red one. I really like this red one. It's so freaking pretty. I love the color of it. So, that one's as beautiful as the green one. Next one is this lavender one. This one, I don't mind that much either. Next one is this pink one. I like this one a lot too, the texture. It's really nice. The heck, this one like went everywhere. Alrighty, and then we have this purple one. This one I don't like that much. I mean, I like it, just don't like it as much as the other ones. And then my favorite, I love it so much, it's a crystal clear slime. So beautiful. Goodbye, beautiful. I put some glitter in it, by the way, if you guys saw that. Alright, well that is it so far. Very, very nice. Alright, next one is this one, this peanut butter slime. I don't like this one very much, to be honest. It's kind of like sticky. Not as sticky as another one, guys. I'll show you right now, but it looks cool. I just don't like the texture, and it also it's like not even scented. So, yeah. Next one is this one. This one is icing slime and sprinkles. Oh my god, this one's sticky. Ugh. Alrighty, next one is marshmallow slime. Ugh, they just keep getting stickier and stickier. Feels like real marshmallow mush sticking all over my hands. Next is this foam that is extremely clickbaited. You can see that, it's like a whole cup of foam and then it's just that. It's very crunchy though. Next is this liquid gold. It's very, very pretty, but it's super sticky, like beyond sticky. You guys can see how sticky it is in that other video, because I'm not about to put my hands in this again. Well, actually I am, but it's gonna be covered with all those slimes. All right, next one is this neon rainbow one, and it's really cool. It came separated, and then you mix it yourself, and that's what I did. Mixed it, and it looks amazing. And I love how this one isn't very sticky. It is a bit sticky, but it's fine. I'll deal with it. But I love how this doesn't like mix that fast. Like it took a while to mix, and it's still not mixed. Next is this one. It's called Magic Mix, and this one is also a mixed slime smoothie thingy. But I didn't mix it. I just put it together. Jeez. All right, this one is orange and pink. It looks really cool. Alrighty, let's go ahead and mix these. I wonder what's gonna happen. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. Guys, I'm gonna miss these slimes a lot because, especially those crazy art ones, because they're so nice. This is a part of the bottom and it turned out really cool. This looks so cool, guys. Okay, the gold looks really cool. We gotta do a slime smoothie with just like gold ones, like those gold jiggly ones. They look so cool. Whoa. Oh, we have a whole chunk of the foam here. I wonder how this is gonna turn out. All right, I'm gonna take that out. Starting to look kind of bad, but it still looks really cool. Kind of like, I don't know what it reminds me of. It reminds me of like a vase or something. Or maybe a rock. Yeah, a rock. Like one of those mineral rocks. It's got so many streaks. This is so cool. Okay, this is turning out to be like a really cool texture so far. I don't know about the end though. It is sticking to my hands like crazy. Do you guys see that? Alright guys, it's completely mixing now. Say goodbye to the beautiful slimes. This is very hard to mix actually. Because of those like jiggly slimes, it's not mixing very fast. Which is good though, because now we have like double the time of beauty. Alright, so this turned into a very interesting texture, guys. Like, it's super jiggly. And usually when they're, like, jiggly like this, they kind of stick to your hands a little bit. But this one does not stick at all. And it's kind of very hard. Not stretchy at all. Alright, well, I guess that's it for this slime smoothie. That's right, only this slime smoothie. I'm going to do a little bonus slime smoothie for you guys. Alrighty, guys, here's the bonus slime smoothie. We have these little slimy thingies. I just thought that they would look a lot better if I mixed it like this. I have one more. I don't know. Oh, there, I found it. Okay. Guys, it was hiding. It didn't want to get mixed. It was inside here. Alrighty. Here it is. I just thought that this would look a lot cuter if it was mixed together. Alrighty, here it is. Ooh, look at that. Okay. Oh, I should have done a rainbow. Forgot the rainbow. I'm gonna do a rainbow. Wait. Alert, guys. It's gonna be a rainbow. Yes, look at that. That is so cute. Oh my god, this one is so cute. This is so cool, although it mixed so quick, guys. Huh, it turned gray. That is weird. I would have thought it turned brown. Want to do another one of these, or if you want to do like a slime smoothie of all the crazy art, just the crazy art slimes, so I feel like that will look really cool, but I don't know. But that's it, guys. Thanks so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.